Today we're going to discuss OCR, C#, open source. Hello everyone. Let's build a simple OCR app in C# using the IronOCR library. We'll start by installing the IronOCR package from NuGet. Once installed, you can see IronOCR listed in the Installed tab. In this demo, we'll focus on reading basic English text from an image. So let's go over to the code inside the program.cs. We've already set up the basic console application. At the top, we included the license key, which is required for IronOCR to function. Make sure to place it with your own if you're testing. Next, we created an instance of Iron Tesseract. This is the main OCR engine we'll use to process our input. We'll then set the language to English Best, which is more accurate than the standard English option, especially when dealing with printed fonts or scanned documents. We'll also specify the Tesseract version as version 5. While this step is optional, it helps ensure consistent results across different systems and environments. Then we create an OCR input object and load the image file that we want to scan. In this case, we're using an image located in the D drive, demo.pmg. Make sure the file path points to a valid image on your machine. Once the image is loaded, we pass the input to the read method, and IronOCR takes care of pre-processing, scanning, and extracting the text for us. The result is stored in the result object. We then print the extracted text to the console using console.writeLine. And then finally, we add console.readKey, parentheses, so that the console window stays open and lets us view the output. All right, so let's run the app. All right, the OCR engine starts scanning the image. And just like that, the text ABCD is displayed on the console, pulled straight from the image. And that's it. In just a few lines of C# code, we've created a fully working OCR solution using IronOCR. You can now extend this to handle documents, forms, screenshots, or any images with embedded text. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. And if you want to get started with IronOCR, sign up for the trial on the site, continue, download, and install the package, and experience the power of our software firsthand. Click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.